Friends, so in this class we are discussing one of the new part in our social science, that is in business studies. So in that business studies we are discussing in this class, that is the banking transaction. So before that we want to know money means generally we are remembering only one institution, that is bank. Generally we all are knowing who is regulating the money, who is controlling the money, we all are knowing the bank. And if you need the money or if you want to deposit the money, we all are involved or dependent on only one institution, that is banks. So that means in this class, in this video we are discussing how this one bank is how this one bank is came, and what was the functions they are doing and futures. And we can see there are different types of accounts in our banks. In a same bank we can see there are different types of account, and we can see different types of bank also for the different types of objectives or purpose. So which are the types of banks based on their objectives and based on accounts, so which types of banks we can see, and functions also we are discussing. And another point, how we can open a bank account, and if you open the bank account, what was the advantages we are getting. So these are the matters we are discussing in this class. So before that we want to know about the bank. Generally we want to know about the bank. We all are knowing what is meant by bank means only one point we are knowing, that is we can deposit the money, we can withdraw the money. So when we are discussing about the bank, so we all are knowing this bank is came before the 100 years ago, only established by banks in our world. The practice of banks is came before the 100 years ago. And which purpose for came the banks? Because of they saying why they came is, so who is need the money to provide the money, and who are they have the more money they can deposit. So in that purpose for only they established by banks. And when they started by, or when they established by countries these like of banks, the structure of the country and economic of growth of the country, they fully changed because of banks. So now we want to know generally what they're doing or what was the procedure is going on in a bank. So here they saying first one in that about only they say in that banks we can see who are their customers, means who are they depositing the money. For them we are calling as the customers or investors, they depositing the money. And who are they need, they can take advance loan in that particular companies. And who are deposited or who are invested for them, or they are getting by interest also for that particular money. So this like a process for only generally we can see in banks. In banks we can see commonly this one procedure. People they are going, the customers or investors, they are depositing the money, and some other people they are coming. Why they coming? To take advance loans, and they taking. And banks who are they invested the money, for them they giving some of the interest also. So these like of common procedures we can see in the place of bank. And another one point, if any one country that one effectively developed as a country, the economically is a good environment, so we can say because of the transaction or efficiency of the bank. If any one country, that country is developed or they growth more, so these like we are saying means because of the dependent on the banks. If in that particular country banks is working is effectively or sincerely or correctly, we can see the country also can grow correctly and effectively and fastly. So that's why they say if in one country the country want to develop, that one dependent on the work of banks. So these like we can see bank is one of the important needable things in our daily life or in our country. Without the bank or banking, we could not develop. That much of needable part in our daily life, that is banks. So now we want to know, that means what is mean by bank, or how this one came, the bank, the word, or what is mean by bank. So first one here they say the bank word is derived from Italian language. So Italian word they called as a banco, and this one banco is came from the French word banque. So that means what they say, bench or money exchange table. So banco, or another one here they saying by banque. So what is mean by banco or banque means, that means bench or money exchange table. So that means what is that one history about this one bench or banco or banque? In Italian countries in ancient time, so if any one person they need the money or they want to deposit the money, means they keeping in front of one table. So they have the draw. So in the drawing they take and they giving some of the money to the peoples, and anybody they are depositing, so they using that only same tables. So these like only derived from bank. So beginning they use the table, so that's why they give a name as a banque or banco, that only bench or money exchange table. If any one person need the money, they are giving, or any one person they are depositing the money, they are taking. So this like a process in the word of bank is derived. So now we want to know what is mean by bank, that means definition of bank. Now we want to know. Now we understood how this one word came, bank. How came is, first time they used in Italian word, that is banco. After that in this word came in French language, that is in banque. So that means we know meanings, now we are understood, bench or money exchange table. So now we want to know how or what is mean by bank or definition of bank. So here they are saying that only bank is a company. This is a company. This company is transact means this one is exchanging business with finance. That means now we understood, if any one company, that company is transacting or they are doing transaction with, they are doing the transaction of business with money. So in that institutions for we can say banking or bank. Bank. So now we are understood what is mean by bank. Bank means a company that transacting business with money. So this only we can call as a bank. So after that next one they say, in that bank we can see, in that bank what was the main procedure, we all are knowing commonly. Who are they have the money, more money, they can deposit, and who are they need the loans, for them bank they are providing advance loans. So these like of practice or methods we can see in bank. After that here they say, so these like of procedure, which procedure, so who are they need the money, the bank is providing the loans, advance loans, and who are they have the more money, they can deposit, and for them bank they providing the interest, and who are they provided, they given, bank they given the loans, for them also bank they putting some of the interest. So in that procedure for only we are given name as a banking. So just you have to think it, bank and banking both also different. So bank means the company they dealing with money. So in that company for we are given name as a bank. Banking means the bank or the banking, one of the institution, financial institutions that is investing or depositing the money with the peoples, and who are the peoples they need, for them they providing the advance loans. So this like of procedure for we are given name as a banking. So both also different, bank and banking. So next one point they are saying about the bank. So here they say we can see, so how we can deposit the money, we all are commonly we are knowing is the drafts. We want to use the draft, in that purpose, in that based we can deposit the money, and they providing the check. So in that checks in we can withdraw the money also. So these like of procedures commonly we can see in bank. This is general or common points. Bank, banking, and how we can withdraw the money. Bank means understood. Banking also means also you are understood. Banking means depositors they investing the money, bank they providing, who are the need for them, bank they providing the loans. So this is only banking. And how we can withdraw or how we can deposit the money, there is some of the procedure. We can use the checks or draft. So in that based we can invest the money or we can withdraw the money. So these like we can see the procedure of bank. So after that, now we want to know if any one institutions, we already knowing what is meant by bank means we are knowing dealing with money, means they are transacting business with money. So that means we want to know what was the features we can see in a bank, or we want to call any one institution, financial institution as a bank. What was the quality or what was the features we want to see in that particular institution. So that only now we are discussing. So here they given that only the features of bank. So first one they say dealing with money. So this is the first point. So if you call any one institution as a bank, so that main or primary work that is they want to deal, always they deal with money. They want to work with finance or money. So this is a primary work. Or they deposit or withdraw, or they are giving an advance loan. So these are the work they want to do with only the content of money, means they want to deal with the money. So that only they are saying by first point. And second one here they are saying individual, firm or company. So if you want to call any one company as a bank or any one institutions we want to call as a bank, we can say their owners are individual or the corporation or company also can establish the banks. So we can see any structure of banks. Some of the banks they can establish any one single person, or some of the banks they can establish 2 or 3 people including they can establish, or sometimes banks can establish by any other multinational companies or any other companies also they can establish the bank. So this leg of structuring also we can see the banks. This is second feature. And third one they are saying that is acceptance and deposits. And next one they are saying another point, bank we want to call anyone or another important feature of the bank, that is they want to accept the deposit and they can withdraw the money also. So this like a procedure we want to see in banks. So here they are saying about the deposits. So public, if you call anyone bank, sorry, anyone financial institution as a bank, means they want to accept the deposit, means they want to take money with the peoples. They can deposit money in that particular institutions. If peoples they investing the money in that particular financial institutions, or they depositing the money and they getting the interest, so we can call that institution as a bank. And they have the some of the procedure. Already I told they have the draft or some of the check leaf. So in that thing they can write the money and they can deposit. So this like also one of the important feature, accepting the deposit. They want to accept the money. Any institutions if they accepting the money, we can say that one as a bank. And third one here they say, next one point here they saying, fourth one, lending loans. And after the accepting the deposit, institutions, bank institutions or financial institutions, after that could not store the money by financial institution. After that, that bank want to give the money as a advance loans to peoples, that is any category. But the institutions they want to provide loans to peoples. Only the institution they accepting the deposit, they accepting the money. No, we cannot say that one as a bank. So after the accepting the deposit, banks who are the needable person, they need the money for them, that institution they want to provide as a loans. If they are giving the loans, we can say that is financial institutions or bank. And next one feature they are saying after the lending the loan, next one here they are saying payment and withdraw. So after that, who are the deposited the money, already we are told that one accepting the deposit. So banks when they accepted the deposit, after that whenever the peoples they need the money, the bank they want to provide their own money. So this is also one of the important feature in banks. Means that only here they are saying withdraw, here they are saying payment and withdraw. So when people, they need their own deposited money. Banks, they want to provide the money. So this is also one of the important feature. So after that, next one they say agency and utility service. So not only banks they doing, they depositing the money and they lending the loans. Not only these are the matters or these are the process. Another important work also doing by bank, that is agencies and utility service. For example, any one person, if they want to take any other loan, vehicle loans, home loans or any other loans, so on that time banks, they want to come as an agency, as a middleman. So this is also one of the important work or important feature. And banks, they want to provide utility service. So what are the types of utility service we can see? Sometimes foreign exchange, sometimes one bank to another bank we can deposit the money, and sometimes they are providing ATMs, sometimes online banks or mobile banking. So these are the utility service want to provide by financial institutions. If they are providing this like of agency and utility service, we can say that is financial institution or bank. And next one they are saying profit and service orientation. And the main objectives of bank, that is one is profit, we all are knowing, and second one they want to do work as a service orientation. The aim of the bank, that is one is profit, second one is service. They want to do work with the mind of these are the fact, these are the matters. Sometimes they want to think about the profit, sometimes the banks want to do service to common people. So these like they want to do the work. So after that, next one they say even increasing functions, every increasing function. And bank, we are knowing banks means they are depositing the money, and next one they are providing the loans. Not only this one, banks day by day, time to time, they want to increase the functions of financial activities. So if that like they are doing, we can say that is a bank. Only they are depositing and they are lending the loans. No, they want to increase the functions. Nowadays we can see within mobile we can open a bank account. So these like we can see one step by step the banks, they want to increase the programs or increase the functions. And with our mobile or internet banking or mobile banking, we can send money one person to another with a place. We could not go to the banks. So these like, and banks, they providing ATMs. We could not go to the bank. If any ATM missions are there or ATM centers are there, we can take the money in that particular center. So these like the banks, they want to provide each by each or day by day or time to time, they want to increase the functions of banking. So this is also one of the important feature. So after that, next one they say connecting links. And bank always they connecting the link between depositor and the borrowers. Borrowers means who are taking the loans. So both for also they connecting the link. This is a bridge. Bank is a bridge for customers and who are took the loans. So both for also they are like a bridge. Means how we can say banks, they are depositing the money with customers. After that they are providing loans to borrowers. Means who are they need the money, for them they are providing as a loans. So these like of structures we can see in bank. So after that, next one banking business. And another one, next one they saying banking business. Here also we can see, we already knowing what is meant by banking. Banking means we already knowing the bank is taking the deposit money, who are they have the money, for them they taking the money, and who are they interested, they can deposit the money. After that bank, they seeing who are the needable person, for them bank they providing as a loans. So these like of system banking companies we can see in a bank. So after that, last one point here they say last of features of our bank, that is name identity. So if any one banking institutions or financial institutions are there, we can say each institution also have their own identity, their own name. With the name we can deposit the money, we can identify which bank is suitable, which financial institution is suitable. So this is also one of the important features, that is name identity. So each bank also have their own identity, their own name. We can see Vijaya Bank, we can see this like only Bank of Baroda. After that we can see Canara Bank, a State Bank of India, State Bank of Mysore. So these like we can see the name of the particular banking institutions. So these are the important features of banking. There are 11 features of banks. So in this class we have discussed about what is meant by bank and banking, how the bank, that one word is derived, and future of the banks. So next class we can discuss about next other points about the bank. Okay, thank you.